Cheers. Howdy. Welcome back. Today, we are making immunity shots. I know right around Thanksgiving, into the holiday time, right around December, there's really two things that come to mind. Number one is celebration and family. Number two is sickness. With the cold weather moving in, I feel like everybody gets sick around this time. So today we're gonna make some immunity shots. Super easy, super simple, but it takes one thing for these to work. The key to life, consistency. So why watch the rest of this video and listen to some random guy on YouTube? So these immunity shots are proven to reduce the duration of colds. So turmeric's a potent antioxidant, which helps in reducing inflammation. The black pepper increases absorption of curcumin from the turmeric up to 2,000%, and ginger aids in digestion. So you can also add in cayenne pepper, which I do not do in this video, but that boosts metabolism, improves your circulation, and provides a natural energy boost. So you kind of put all that together. That's why I'm making this video. It's really helped. We haven't gotten sick this year. Knock on all the wood. So that's kind of a rundown of the entire immunity shot. Now back to the magic. One shot a day will really boost your immune system and help get rid of that sickness or keep it and prevent it from coming. So step number one, we're gonna go ahead and take 2 oranges and get these suckers peeled. Well, that was easy. 2 oranges peeled, ready to go. Next, you're gonna go ahead and peel 2 lemons. Come on. 3rd time's a charm, let's try it. Boom, easy enough. And ingredient number 3, little knob of ginger. If you like ginger, you can add a little bit more. If not, you can add a little bit less. But I do a knob about that big. So you go ahead and add the ginger into a blender. Go ahead and add the oranges and the lemon into the blender. And then 2 cups of water. Now keep in mind, this is for 1 serving. You can double it and make more. That way you've got a bunch in the fridge. 2 cups of water into the blender. 4th ingredient, we're gonna go 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric into the blender. 5th ingredient, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. The black pepper binds to the turmeric. We'll go ahead and add that in there, get it mixed up, we'll get it strained and ready to take shots. That everything is blended up, go ahead and dump it into a sifter, which will separate all the stuff from all the good stuff. Now that the doctor's juice is all sifted out, just go ahead and grab a cup or just use a blender bottle with a top. Go ahead and dump it in, store it in your fridge for up to a week, shake it up and take a shot every day. There you go, a week's worth of immunity. Coming right up. Cheers. Again, super easy, super simple. You can make it in under 5 minutes or less. Again, the key to life, consistency, right? Make sure you take your shot every day. You can make it once a week. You can double that batch, triple that batch, quadruple that batch. That way you have it. It does separate a little bit in the fridge, so just shake it up, dump it into a shot glass. Stay consistent, 1 shot per day. Again, it's not going to prevent sickness, but it'll definitely boost your immune system with all the vitamin C in it as well, the turmeric, the black pepper. So if you find value in these videos, go ahead and consider subscribing and smash that thumbs up button. But as always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.